Hello, sweet friends. Welcome back. Today, I'm finally sharing my garden video. I know it's a little late in the season. There were a few of you who were interested in watching this process. This is our second year garden, and my husband went all out. This year, we added several citrus trees. We added different kinds of herbs. I want to say there's about 50 plus different types of items in our garden this year. It is pretty massive. The difference between the garden that we planted this year and last year, and oh yes, I forgot to mention, we have grapes too, grapes and berries and blueberries. So as I was saying, the difference between the garden that we planted last year and this year is that last year's garden was an in-ground garden, and this year we did an above-the-ground garden in buckets. So it's a bucket garden. I don't know if any of you have seen bucket gardens, but you basically plant your herbs in a 5-gallon bucket, and so we felt like this would be a good way for us to keep everything separated because when you do a garden in the ground, everything becomes entangled. Maybe it's just we need more practice on how to plant what we're planting. So we just decided to try something new this year. I'd say so far so good. You'll see at the end what it's looking like. We are such newbies. We don't really know exactly what it is we're doing, but we are doing our best. So whenever you purchase the 5-gallon buckets, you do have to put holes on the bottom. That way the water can seep out. Not only water seeps out, roots will also begin to eventually seep out as everything starts maturing and growing. So we're having the kids involved in this entire process. They actually love gardening with us. It's something that they really enjoy doing, and that makes me really happy. These will be great childhood memories for them. Not only that, they'll be able to plant their own gardens when they get older. And so I really love that they're taking to this. So Mikey and Ileana are both outside. He's doing all the drilling on the buckets. I am marking the holes that he is to drill. If you notice in the background, my husband is building trellises. We decided to buy a couple of trellises. That way we can put our grapes into it. As you know, those vine, and so we wanted to give them something to vine on. That wouldn't be good to do in the actual garden. And so we're hoping that, they'll take to the trellis and vine on the trellis. I'm honestly not even sure if blueberries and raspberries, um, I think we have blackberries too. I'm not sure if those are vining plants, but I guess I will find out. If any of you know, just let me know, please. When we initially planted this garden this year, we were hand watering it for a good while. It wasn't until right before we were going to go on vacation that my husband installed the watering system into the garden, and that was because we knew that the garden was not going to get watered if we weren't here, and so we didn't want our garden to die. The watering system is really helpful. It turns on at a certain time. Everything's automatic. I think you all have seen how my husband has our water hose area. Everything's on timers. So he just recently added a new hose that is for me. That way I know what hose to use, and it's really easy for me to get to. But so everything's on a timer, and so we don't have to hand water it anymore. Everything is really thriving in our garden. You can start to see how the ecosystem works when you have a garden. There's just a variety of like living organisms coming around. Definitely have seen a frog. It had been ages since I had actually seen a frog. And so that was pretty cool. Having the citrus trees, we've seen hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are just so beautiful. They're not even scared of humans. They're just doing their job. And so I do have a little clip of the hummingbird coming around. There's just all kinds of bugs, bees, worms, just all kinds of stuff you see in this little ecosystem that we've helped to create. And it really just reminds you of how beautifully made our earth is. So we definitely need to take better care of it. Let me know if any of you have a garden or are considering starting a garden. Let me know what your favorite herb or fruit is that you've planted in your garden. I definitely have to say that I love peppers, all kinds of peppers. They're one of my favorite things to harvest. This year we also planted eggplants, and oh my gosh, the eggplants actually grew. I made an eggplant dip with it. I forget the name of it, baba goosh. I don't know if that's the correct term, but something like that. And Mikey and my husband really, really loved the dip. So it's just been so fun, and it's something that we want to continue doing. We are looking into buying a greenhouse because we'd love to be able to garden uh, 365 days a year. So there's one that we've been eyeing out at Costco. It has gone on sale several times since we've first looked at it. And so my husband is debating if that is something that we're going to do this year. We do, we'll definitely build it with you. But this was the end of our gardening day. I know I went into this project just dreading it and just very unmotivated. And when I was done, I just felt happy. It made me so happy and accomplished. And we all worked together, and that was the most beautiful part of it all. Teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. And so we still had some work to do, and I don't share all of the work that we did in this video, but I will definitely fast forward to what the garden is looking like now. Our lawn is in a much better place as well. The grass was really dry here. We don't have an under the ground watering system. You can see it there in the background, but my husband purchased a new watering system. I actually tried to see if I can get that video sponsored, but I was not able to. But I still want to share it with you because it was something that actually worked really well. And if you're somebody who has a yard without an under the ground watering system, then this system is definitely something that you want to check out. It is a bit of an investment, but it made such a big difference. Another product that we've been using on our lawn is a system known as Sunday Lawn Care. And so they send you a soil test kit and then they ship you customized liquids or fertilizer specifically tailored to your lawn, your soil. It just takes the guesswork out of everything. And so we get these shipments in, I want to say quarterly, and I actually learned about it from Ashley from Till Vacuum Do Us Part. I used her discount code and we purchased it and we have been using it ever since. I want to say it's been about a year or so. So here we go. Here's the big reveal, and this is what my lawn is looking like now. And I truly believe it's the watering system along with the lawn care system that we've been using coupled together that has given us these results. We were just using one of those plain watering sprinklers, and it was not doing our yard any justice. I think it was watering the neighbor's yard more than it was watering ours. And so I absolutely love how our lawn is looking. So this is what the garden is looking like. We actually placed all the buckets where the pre-existing in-ground garden was, but we're noticing that we need to add some more space in between the buckets. And so it's just all been a learning experience. We are learning as we go. Hopefully we can extend our garden out more. That way there's maybe walking space between our buckets and between our herbs. That also depends on whether or not we decide to go the route of getting a greenhouse. So we will see. There's just a lot up in the air right now, but for now, we are enjoying our garden. It's definitely providing us with different herbs and vegetables and fruits. We've actually picked a few peaches from our trees, which were absolutely delicious. We also have some strawberries planted in our garden. There's some tomatoes, eggplant, we're waiting on the zucchini to grow in, cucumbers as well. And so it's been so much fun to care for and just to see how beautiful nature is and how we can actually grow our own foods. It's just so amazing. And I'm absolutely in love with the entire process. So hopefully we can get much better at this and be experts in the future. This is not in any way, shape, or form a how-to video. It's just kind of showing you our journey, and I really hope that you enjoyed spending time with me today. I will see you all in the next video. Hugs!